Happy birthday, Meme. Thank you for playing with me almost every day and making me carry you most of the time. Hope that you grow up well and not get sick anymore.
Happy birthday, Danielle. You're already 5 years old. Big girl already. Okay, we are so proud of you and we love you so much. You're our little princess, so continue to stay cute, stay happy, and stay pretty. Wishing you happy 5th birthday.
Happy birthday, Meme. We love you. We are thankful that you are in our family because you bring us so much joy, so much fun. We pray that you'll grow up to love God, love God's people, grow up healthy and strong. And we love you.
Happy birthday, Meme. Thank you for sleeping in the same room as me and always playing with me, Princess. I hope you grow up to be a princess soon. Bye.
Happy 5th birthday, Meme. I love you and I will want to play with you. I love you. Bye-bye. I feel happy.
You feel happy? What is your birthday wish for 5 years old?
I wish that Kaka can give me all his stuff, even his watch and his glasses. I wish that I can be alone.
Up?
I don't got to buy.
Happy birthday. Wait, I almost say good morning, sorry.
We go to primary school.